Tygra AI is the latest AI software to hit the market, and today we're breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know about it before deciding if it's the right fit for your business. Stay tuned to find out exactly how this software stands out and why it's generating so much buzz in the AI community. First off, Tygra AI offers a completely free trial, and you can get access to it right now by clicking the link below. But is this software really as good as it sounds? Let's dive in. The first key thing you should know about Tygra AI is its automation capabilities. Whether you're in digital marketing, e-commerce, or even content creation, this software can save you hours each day. It allows you to automate mundane tasks like data analysis, content generation, and lead nurturing, all with a few clicks. If you're looking to free up your time while getting better results, Tygra AI is definitely worth considering. Second, Tygra AI is designed to help with decision making. It integrates machine learning models that analyze historical data, so you can make data-driven decisions faster and more accurately than ever before. For marketers and entrepreneurs who need to optimize campaigns on the fly, this software will definitely improve your efficiency. The third feature worth noting is Tygra AI's ability to learn and adapt over time. Unlike older AI software that simply follows a preset rulebook, Tygra improves its predictions as it learns more about your business. This means the more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your goals and providing solutions. Fourth, the user interface is incredibly intuitive. Even if you're not a tech expert, you'll find it easy to navigate and set up. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, the simplicity of Tygra AI's dashboard will make your workflow much smoother. Now let's talk about scalability. Tygra AI doesn't just work for small businesses. It can scale to meet the needs of larger companies as well. This is a game changer because many AI tools can't keep up with growing demands, but Tygra handles volume effortlessly without compromising performance. Moving on, Tygra AI isn't just another tool with cool features, it's incredibly affordable. For the value it provides, the pricing structure is very competitive. You won't have to break the bank to access all its powerful features. And again, there's that free trial, so you can test it out before making any commitments. One thing I want to emphasize is Tygra AI's integration with other software. Whether you're using CRM tools, email marketing platforms, or social media management systems, Tygra plays well with them all. This makes it easier to incorporate into your existing workflow and ensures you're not forced to switch everything up just to make it work. Finally, let's talk about the results. Users who have already adopted Tygra AI report significantly higher conversion rates, faster turnaround times, and improved customer engagement. This isn't just empty hype. It's a product that delivers real, measurable results. As you can see, Tygra AI brings a lot to the table. And if you're looking for a software that will help automate tasks, improve decision-making, and scale with your business, it could be exactly what you need. Remember, you can try it completely free through the first link below. If you're still unsure, I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and I've got my top recommendations in the description below. You can start using some of these for free today to see which one best fits your needs. Make sure to check them out after watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.